In this video, we are going to provide an overview and review of the REI affiliate program, plus a few different ways to make money with this program. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn the best way to make money with this affiliate program. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. And as I mentioned in this video, we are going to review what REI.com is, their affiliate program, how much you can earn from the program, and the best ways to promote it. So make sure you watch this entire video. Now, this YouTube series is actually a part of a series for my new YouTube channel that I recently launched. It's called Affiliate Program Reviews. As you can see here, I upload videos almost every single day reviewing different affiliate programs that are off the beaten path. So if you are interested in learning about different affiliate programs than the big 4 or 5, make sure you check out and subscribe to this channel. All right, first things first, what is REI? REI is a clothing company that features outdoor clothing and apparel. If you take a look here, they have things for men, women, kids that feature outdoor. If you are, let's say, a hunter, if you are into just maybe rock climbing, trail hiking, all of those different things. These are clothing and apparel that is going to be suited for you, keep you comfortable in the winter and not so hot in the summer or spring. But as you can see here at the top here, they have different niches, which we'll get into. These are different opportunities for you to create content. There's a number of ways to make money with this affiliate program. And so make sure you watch this entire thing as I review some of the best ways. Now let's go ahead and talk about the affiliate program. The REI affiliate program is actually managed by the AvantLink affiliate network. An affiliate network simply is a third party that works with affiliate marketers and affiliate programs, and they're responsible for any marketing materials, like banners that go on websites, any affiliate links that they can provide, maybe deep linking, and commission payout. So that's AvantLink. What you can do is sign up with them for free, and then you'll have to apply to the REI affiliate program. Now with the REI affiliate program, you can earn a 5% commission when someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, and the cookie window is 15 days, which is good when you think about something like Amazon or even Dick's Sporting Goods. Their affiliate windows are shorter. Amazon only has a 24-hour affiliate window or cookie window, and Dick's Sporting Goods has 7 days. But as you can see here, there's a ton of information, ton of ways to promote it. Now let's go ahead and talk about some of the best ways to promote it. Now last week, I stumbled across something called backpack coolers. Now if we go over here, you can see there are 199,000 searches per month. There are almost 4,000 keywords where people are looking up backpack coolers, Yeti backpack cooler, all sorts of different backpack coolers where you could create content. Now we could use this, for example, we'll copy backpack cooler. That could be an opportunity for something like REI, but let's go ahead and talk about other ways that you could make money. One thing that we can do is we could create content about climbing. We could either approach it where we're creating reviews about different clothing and climbing harnesses that they have, or we could teach people how to trail hike or how to rock climb. If we go over to YouTube, you can see either one will work. Let's go up to here and we're going to type in how to rock climb. As you can see, rock climb. As you can see, people are asking questions about rock climbing, and that's one of the niches that REI creates content. So you can see this is an opportunity. If we hit the space bar, how to rock climb indoors. If we hit the space bar again and we hit enter, we can see people are asking basic questions about rock climbing. Now, when you think about rock climbing, there's different gear that someone needs, everything from a helmet, appropriate apparel, shoes, all sorts of stuff. And you could find it right over here. If we go back over to their website, you could potentially create content on all of this stuff. We could go to, let's do hiking clothing. We could go back over to YouTube and you can do the same thing with a blog. You could say best hiking shoes, best hiking boots, backpack, pants, shoes for men. Let's look at shoes for men. Hit enter, and you're going to see the top result here. When we scroll down past the ads, top result, 5 best men's hiking shoes in 2020, 17,000 views from a year ago. Now, I'm not sure how many subscribers they have, but if we look at this, there are people asking these questions about the best hiking shoes. And what you can do is you can go out and read reviews and read comments of what people are saying, and you could create this type of content over on YouTube, or you could even start a blog. If we copy this just like this and we do best hiking shoes for men, and we could even do the same thing with Pinterest, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But if we look at this, cleverthinker.com has the best hiking shoes for men. What we could do is, let's go back over to our keyword research tool, and I'll get into that in just a second. But if we just type in best hiking shoes for men, we want to take a look at the competition and if there are any keywords that aren't as competitive. So if we look at this, best hiking shoes for men 2012, not really what we're interested in, but you can see best hiking shoes for men, 6,000 monthly searches, 143 keywords, but you'd probably want to stay best waterproof hiking shoes for men. That's interesting. We could copy this and go back over to YouTube and see if people are asking this question. We paste that in. We'll get the B back there just like that. Best waterproof hiking shoes for men. If we scroll down, we'll take a look at that in just a second. But what we're looking at is Clever Thinker has all sorts of content about hiking. And you could do this too. You could create content about all of this stuff. If we grab the domain name from Clever Thinker, we're going to copy link address, go over to our keyword research tool, open up a new site explorer. We're going to paste it in just like this, hit enter, and we'll come back to that. If we take a look, best waterproof hiking shoes for men, top result here, 27,000 subscribers, so a relatively small channel, 11,000 views. The one below it, 11,000 views. The one below it, only 1,000 subscribers, 633 views. If just 1% buys one of these shoes, this would be worth it. And the great thing with YouTube videos is they stay up forever unless you decide to delete them. Let's go back over to the Clever Thinker. This is a relatively large blog, but what we want to do is we want to take a look and see what keywords that they rank for that might not be as competitive. So we can change the keyword difficulty to 5 or less. Now again, Ahrefs is a paid tool, but it makes your life much easier when looking for keywords. If we go through here, Clever Hiker, Reflection Canyon. If we scroll down, River Trail, so you could create content on individual river trails. One thing that I think you could do, and this is going to be kind of like that around the way or roundabout way to do it, is create content about hiking trails. Create content about, if we go back over to REI, you can create content, let's get out of here, about hiking in general, camping, hiking, climbing, cycling. That's going to be another great way. Cycling for kids could be an opportunity. Different bike components, racks, and then go in and show people how to do something in each of these niches. For example, how to start paddleboarding. That's going to be something that's relatively low competition. And what we can do is we can copy paddleboarding and look up content there as well. But one obvious way to do it is simply to do reviews on each of these products. So let's go to backpacking packs. And what we can do is we can just click on this and we can just copy the name of the product and do reviews. This is going to be an obvious way. This is going to be kind of bottom of the funnel. People already know what they're looking for. This is a $149 product. So if we copy this, we go over to YouTube and we can paste this in, and you can see people are typing in review. You create simple review videos. The top 2 results are from the product. The third result, 14,000 views from a year ago, 35,000 subscribers. 14,000 views, 18,000 subscribers. The one below it, 3.8 thousand views, 1,000 subscribers. So you could do this too. There's a number of ways to approach it. You can teach people how to start rock climbing or hiking. You could actually do a vlog style content where you could do hiking the Appalachian Mountains. That could be something that we look up as well. We could say hiking in the rain, hiking in the Smoky Mountains. If we look at this, hit enter, we can see the top result here, 22,000 views. He only has 4,000 subscribers, but then you put a link to the products that you used on your trip, and you could potentially make money. So there's a lot of ways to do it. 7 incredible places to view fall foliage in the Smoky Mountains. If you're going to go out there, you probably need some hiking clothing to stay warm depending on when you go. And this is your opportunity. There's a bunch of ways to promote the products in the REI affiliate program. We could review them right now. So 1 is teaching people how to start hiking or rock climbing. 2, a very obvious way, is to find different products that you've worn or that you've tried or tested in the past and do simple review videos. Another thing you could do is hiking in the Appalachians or Smoky Mountains or wherever you've hiked. You could do the same thing with kayaking. You could do the same thing with any outdoor related sport or outdoor related activity that has an associated product over on REI. What else you can do? You can start a blog where you talk about the best hiking shoes for or best X for Y. These are all going to work. Now, if you remember, when I talk about the inverted pyramid at the very top, people are asking basic questions like how to start hiking for men, or how to start hiking, in your 30s. People are asking very basic questions. And when you include the things that they need, for example, shoes and apparel and a hat and a backpack, they're going to click on those links and potentially buy the product. The next step down, people are maybe comparing for cheaper alternatives. After that, they're looking for the best X for Y. But as you can see here, best hiking shoes for cold weather, best hiking shoes for the rain. And then at the very bottom, they are asking about reviews for different products. And you can do this too. All different ways to make money with this affiliate program. Each one of these work. Now that you know how to promote the REI affiliate program, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.